Here, shut that off. But he loves that toy. What is it made out of?
Straws.
Different straws? You can buy like an expensive cat toy, but they'll still like the ponytail. Or like a tag.
My dad has atrial fibrillation, or AFib. He has the most common kind.
Oh my gosh, can you turn off this commercial?
Pleasure.
Logan, you have that straw.
That's why I take my Warfarin every day. It looks like maybe we should ask your doctor after that.
In a clinical trial, Redacted, the biggest transmission of methylene,
He's got to get his exercise.
and unlike Warfarin, with no regular blood tests or dietary restrictions. Redacted is not for people with artificial heart valves. Don't stop taking Redacted without talking to your doctor. Stopping increases your risk of stroke. Ask your doctor if you need to stop Redacted before surgery or medical or dental procedure. Redacted can cause serious, sometimes fatal bleeding. Don't take Redacted if you have abnormal bleeding or have had a heart transplant.
Good job, Florian.
Medical care for unexpected signs of bleeding, less than usual bruising. Redacted may increase your bleeding risk if you're bipolar. Have a bleeding condition or stomach ulcer, take aspirin, NSAIDs, or blood thinners. Or if you have kidney problems, especially if you take certain medicines. Tell your doctors about all medicine you take. Redacted side effects include indigestion, stomach pain, upset, or burning.